In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can load some feature data from a PostgreSQL SQL database and render that in Map Suite. So in order to utilize this sample, you're going to have to add a reference to our FDO extension because we only support PostgreSQL through FDO. So if you're not familiar with how to do that, you may take a look at the Load a Geodatabase FeatureLayer sample video, because that shows you how to add references and where you need to find the appropriate DLLs and put them in your System32 folder so everything works correctly. Also, because we don't deploy an actual PostgreSQL database with this How Do I sample apps, all the code within this sample is actually just commented out, but allows you to easily uncomment it out for your scenario when you have a real database you want to hook to. So let's jump right to the code so you can get familiar with that type of feature layer. So here we are in the Load a PostgreSQL PeatureLayer.cshtml file, and you can see the code that is commented out here, and this is pretty much normal code you see in all of our samples. We're just adding the map to the page, setting the background, map unit, current extent, etc. And then we're going to go ahead and add our PostgreSQL layer, or PostgreSQL feature layer, to the static overlay on the map. So the first thing you're going to need to define is your connection string of how you can connect to your database, and then go ahead and create a new PostgreSQL feature layer, passing in that connection string along with what table and what the unique identifier is on that table. Then Map Suite will analyze that table and find out which columns contain the geospatial information and load the features up accordingly. And then once we have all the features loaded, we just need to tell the map control how we want to style it. So in this example here, we're assuming these are states that are stored in the database, and we want to go ahead and give the style, the default area style, to look like a country 1. So this is just some pre-built styles that we have in Map Suite, or of course you can create your own styles and apply them accordingly. Finally, we just set that style to apply to all zoom levels between 1 and 20, and add that layer to the static overlay and render the map out accordingly. So I hope this sample app walkthrough has been helpful for you. If you are using PostgreSQL as your backend database, you can definitely render or pull that feature information in to be used within Map Suite by utilizing the FDO extension. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, or you can post your questions directly on our discussion forum at thinkgeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.